Discover Bratislava, a vibrant city on the Danube, located in the very heart of Europe. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or for work, thanks to Bratislava CARD, you can experience the best that the capital has to offer. This official tourist card will help you plan your stay in the city and the region, saving you both time and money. How about spending a long weekend with your loved one in Bratislava? Bet on a 72-hour card and enjoy the city without worries. Besides, the more attractions you visit, the more you save. Attractive museums and galleries, exciting tours and excursions, experiences on the Danube River, unique views, and local gastronomy are all awaiting you. A professional guide will lead you through the most beautiful places in the historic city center. Furthermore, your child under 18 can join the tour with you for free. With the Bratislava CARD, you don't have to keep track of the zones you pass through. You can comfortably travel by tram, bus, or trolley bus. Of course, your child travels with you, free of charge and unlimitedly. The Bratislava Region is just a stone's throw away. A regional bus or train will take you there, so you can explore its beauty, traditions, and flavors to your heart's content. And how does it work? Simply choose from 2 types of cards, either one with public transport or one without, with a validity of 24, 48, or 72 hours. You can decide on a classic plastic card, or prefer its eco-friendly digital version. You can buy it in person, or at the Tourist Information Center, at selected sales points, or in the free Bratislava CARD app. See for yourself that the Bratislava CARD is the best way to explore the city and the region. More information can be found at card.visitbratislava.com.